You've created your Blocksmith account and now you're ready to download the Builder application. If you have a paid license, navigate to your domain's dashboard. You can find your dashboard under your username in the top right, or you can visit blocksmithxr.com/dashboard. Then, in the left menu, select Your Domain Admin. Then select Licensed Downloads in the left menu. Download the file for your operating system. This automatically applies your premium license to the download. You'll complete this installation on all of your classroom or facilities computers. For free accounts and free trial accounts, visit blocksmithxr.com/download, then select the Builder download for your operating system. On a Mac, select Mac OS, then select Download from the pop-up menu. Save the file, then open the zip file. Click BlocksmithXR Builder.app, then drag it into your Applications folder. Your Mac's security settings may block the Blocksmith app from opening at first. If this window pops up when you try to open the Blocksmith app, click Cancel. Navigate to your System Preferences, then select Security and Privacy. Under the General tab, select Open Anyway next to BlocksmithXR Builder.app. Select Open on the pop-up window. You may have to enter your computer's password. Once finished, BlocksmithXR Builder should be approved and you can open the application as usual from here on. Windows installation will be similar. Simply follow the instructions in the installation wizard. If prompted by your virus protection, select Open Anyway. On Chromebooks, use the link to the online version of BlocksmithXR Builder. This grants you access to the same builder through your web browser. Now you can open the Blocksmith Builder and begin building 3D games, either from scratch or by following one of Blocksmith's detailed quest curriculums. For help adding students to your account and assigning quests, check out the next video linked here and in the description,